Hello, good afternoon. This past hello, good afternoon. This white CRS past question year 2019. Question number 32 says, "Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." This was addressed to dash A. James and John, B. Peter and John, C. James and Andrew, D. Simon and Andrew. The correct option here is option D. Simon and Andrew. In the book of Matthew, in Matthew chapter 4 verse 19, we find this account there. Remember that Simon is the same person as Peter. So that's the Bible says Simon Peter and his brother Andrew. So the correct option is option D. Thank you and God bless you. And ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.